gonna say I'm an expert, but I know.
Queuing raising complete.
All right, you guys ready?
I've always been interested in aviation because I grew up in a family where everyone worked in the aviation industry. I decided it'd be best to get involved with Explorers Post. One of the big draws to Explorers Post is its exploratory program. It allows you to see every facet of aviation.
The propeller, we still call it thrust.
We give youth an opportunity to try and to learn what paths they may want to take to become an aviation professional.
Is there a lock on this door?
We needed a charter org to be able to put the program together. We went and looked at several different airports, and that's where the city of Denton came in. They were able to become our charter organization.
Another thing that's always captivated me with aviation is the unlimited applications that they have, ranging from transportation to search and rescue to logistics and so much more.
When they come out, they have a roadmap of where they need to go and how they want to get there.
The aviation industry is a ticket around the world.
You didn't even crash.
You good?